Yaswa, Sasa, Babu Sama,
Top radio back correct.
Oh, yeswa, pasasa nya babu sama tengwa kolo. Yeswa, pasasa nya babu sama tengwa kolo.
Ok, nous vivons tout la vavant, le Yesu Christo, mais do fienami, gana du call, fienami, every du call, fienami, to the loud top 103.1 FM, to the loud Katan, Pogaton, minute bla, every 5:20 p.m. on top 103.1 FM, bonsoir, bon arrivé. Welcome once again to another edition of Duneyo Bobobo Show right here from Kokomlemle, Accra, Ghana. But we are live in America and Canada as well, and all over the world. Authentic Mama and Duneyo Bobobo Show is clear and live. Manana nyebe nyele live le Top FM online, Top FM online on YouTube. Nyele live le Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Nyele live le Sienna YouTube page and Sienna Facebook page, all in North America, and also TikTok, Top Radio 103.1 FM, and also Top Media on Facebook. So across the network, Okata, social handles, Okata, we are live. Total Vavao, Nyawezo, welcome to, today is the 10th of May. 2025, 10th of May 2025. Nikatamya wezo mekako Duneyo Bobobo plenya jojo now leva vana mi le tapesi atapeke miele fienya. George Nambe and the Kakpulem Lefia be ado told to Duneyo Bobobo Show as Authentic Mama MFA bled Duneyo Bobobo Show a friend ko kosra etoando yova ya mielan konya sem la ya me kake melekponye nkume kumo nyato minya edofe koye mi Easter mi vado Easter le afe mi ko anu yokata jole afe no to me alo amonu to me pe Easter do kata vena mi le social handle so le mohanji le top 103.1 mede me va cover no cover na me le ya megba ekunya o ple no ka mi to mi nyam ye won MC ple to yata ne edoyo komiye yata me data flash na me cause right turn over yi so Easter me ko back the me ka pom pole media alo face to face egbe ya mele mi adome nyano vi yo America de come Sienna de call America, Canada, UK, play other parts of the world. Mikata akpe mele mo jinami so me quickly me come ya fe nunzio phone nene me akpo Authentic Mama Live le Top FM online on YouTube. Allo Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Allo Sienna Facebook page le America. Allo Sienna YouTube page. Afisi afiko nemye tune in. Nemye ifoma kwa mi akpo Authentic Mama akpele nye guest. Mi kata mi awezo. Egba mi le transmitting live from 40B Royal Castle Road le Accra kokumlemle. Mi ko dunenyo bobo plenya jojo na kaleba vana mi fianyi le todo lao. Apaleke nenya ga aton minute bla evevo ene. Eya iPod eye wona chego meto gaton ya mi ano mi ape hohonu la fe o le afisi afike na se Authentic Mama kle junenyo bobo show ape nko tue a akpena milo mi awe le toji mi awe gbonu sege ye mi ano mi ado meto gaton va se ganyi eya ta mi ato mi ape radio katana no gbonye eye me bia be na yo ehon ade wa gbon ehon ade be Authentic Mama is live. So amesiame dada over here to me de chakla kaba gamasu be mi ado to 103.1 FM FM novi to do lao. Abelekene let's say mejego mekpele agbaja ye agbaja makoyiji agbaja ke mekakogbo eji yina megbe kakia mana na nyebe mafa agbaja de ka vade oko eye ma yiji pele bobo de ka vade ha ye ma ba ko gospel akokplomi akowunu line up ye ma menam yegbe nu iwe jole Ghana to come peta kaka o mi chonkonele evogbe mebe newspaper headline segment to be coming your way as you know makonya jojo avenami eyo here be na se eye le ye nyue toji le phone in segment ya mapu mona ojo me vi wonu tepe ado susu glo to nu yo nese be jole dukoya me be e county yeta no jajrado wo but before then your text and WhatsApp messages should be coming. Nyape messages yo nya togbe na nya loloto afekpele gbesia nan vavam le 0244 066 752 0244 066 752 text or WhatsApp the same line makwa madridam ke ma akhlena mi le ye nyue toji le phone text message segment ya ko makhlena me manami tidbits health tidbits abaleke nyabe we have a health segment on the show yata no do that segment la mesenya wa manami tips de ka evado eye mi akono agbeno den ke matito next week next anomi adome psychiatric nurse anomi adome mi afonu cho stress alo aleke mi ewo na to kada legbegbe oto na tagbonami eye ogbona nu le mi anti eya tami no to aji ne nyano Authentic Mama bele junenyo bobobo wona osem egba Edi jombe amekpekpe tohe adele mi adome le fien ya. Okay. Yeah, mom, yes, sir. Hagbanto mama ko jago menami no vi todo lava van weleji yikla gbajake ke miava wonu pele gospel as time goes on meleg blona obe egba eji jombe amekpekpe tohede le miato me ko a guest tohedeva abeleke me no wona mi efia pe gomejeje kata me ko guest so alo amekpekpe ovana miefona no cho ya miefona no cho nyati from the beginning of the year. Kake Easter first time back there ncho fe ekosra valoton ya yoko ela ben meluta ke meka trogbo adube edona kacho afo iyata kosra sia kosra amekpekpe tohewo anu mi adome anonu fiami anonu kromi mi katami anonu sro atuduko ya be waingo le eya mata anye to jona mbe egba amekpekpe yile mi adoma eya nyenye tonyo sister de ka beve ke enye a catechist enye catechist na EP Church Ghana mi antomia fe EP Church oye be catechist Benny Setoglo catechist Benny Setoglo ekanye president of Meridian Presbytery Good News Choir eya ekanye mi afe president alonu no lana Meridian Good News Choir all over nyafe nunola egba ele mi adome be nyaka alomia fonu adoje afianu asronu mikata nya wedeka asronu anyanu etoy kegbonye Mother's Day no kata July of aza ekinyeduna every year, and tomorrow is going to be a Mother's Day again. Eyata egba myafe topic is towards the Mother's Day celebration. Niecho ene aloyo vogbema meyebe the Mother's Day challenges and reward of motherhood. Mother's Day ekenye etofen keke gbo nyele dona nyono kata dada o kata evijikola o kata amesia meke ekpo viji jivi po viji koa nyele o echoa. It is your day and we are celebrating all mothers, grandmothers, sisters. Nyele mikata celebrating eyatagba nyebe mi alen kude nyono fenyenye amekenye nyono dila kuhir kameo mietona alo kuhir ka ele dadaun alo dadaun fe nyenyeme eye vide ka ha mi akpo alo mi pona abe dadao ene abe nyonu vigilao ene abe nyonu vigipalao ene eye egbefe topic mi ato ehia pa enyenya tivede ya tamere kuku your view your snow. I'm Samina to the top 103.1 FM Muti. Then Yadoto Egbefa Wananami, Katkis Benny Setoglo, I make a president of Meridian Presbytery, Elemiadome, Mia Awo discussion alone, Yamejojroma, Akpenami, Yawele Toji, text and WhatsApp messages so one of them, 0244 066752. 0244 066752 ahead of time. Nene bi ado ha na wolo noto abia ha alo na nya de ke do ene bi abia nya fete ya. I'll do that, and the phone in segment I'll be opening it na una abia nya de ka vade ke lesson abia na me phone for ha ma bu mo na o amia yi wona ji mia we so se hayada. Authentic mom, the one who says one. Authentic mama, the 103.1.
Hi guys, my name is John Dubalo and I'm listening to Authentic Mama
Who did you know me no fit so do lao? Abaleke wento na lesema ebetu kobe Yesu bona minam ya trojme minam ya wonunwe Gana to kobe Yesu bona and it's be ya ijipwa if you bela bena trojme na ojipo benu at 2 minutes block and 2 to 5:40 p.m. Top 103.1 FM. FM pen kosamnela authentic mama kled dunenyo bobo show. Pen kosamnela. Egba mele emeglobe amekpekpe tokele miadume. Mile nupo cho nyono bonti karake before nyono nya jenupo ama for sweet madarami ahead of time. Be nyanye be egbe fe topic ya we are celebrating women, and tomorrow is Mother's Day, the 11th of May 2025. It's Mother's Day, and all over the world, activities, zoology, top radio, we are not left out. We are also celebrating women, and before then, Nyeko education program, then ya educate, alomia fianu, and ya srono mikatan, nya nyam de kavado, afi nya ba ano duma no dum ekcho. Eyata egba. The topic is Mother's Day. The challenges, Mother's Day challenges and reward of motherhood. Egba eya nyenyatie pede kwenye be nono faza ya fupekpe yo ni momie tona kuhi yo me nyono tona abe nyono he po vijiji evi po viji pleto wa kuhi yo mo tona ple no to kuhi ma kata me fode vide ka opona to evio jijime evio ta alovio ji popome pleto wa eya nye egbefe nyati eya tamnya to medekuku yonovio wa yonovia be authentic mama egbe topic ya enyona mikata nchokwe nyono katamia se elabe dada kple papa alo yewe no na feme ye de viole eya tamikata mia se asonade akokpro mia do no victor dolao ke magbona be mana na nye be live le authentic mama fan page on Facebook ta medekuku put to na Facebook then akponye pa mekpekpe ke le studio akpo live akponye into hand live egba mebe mele mi agbo me live feeling ta medekuku yi authentic mama fan page on Facebook then na like na follow na share eye na akpo na katan clear and colored so afi nyele wacho le kokomlemle then ma ke na top FM online on YouTube, Top FM online on YouTube. You subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us. Videos all of my pictures, all of my and videos. Okatan call the top and you me wanna okatan of my TikTok, Top Radio 103.1 TikTok, and then Facebook at Top Media Facebook. Then America to okatan and yakbomle Sienna YouTube page. Sienna YouTube page and Sienna Facebook page. Medo bename Sienna topite. Baby Tomiape president. The current president, Dr. Chachunya Madi, Pelepag Basavio Kata, Medo na me. Me Sienna told you like Ghana to come. Any leshini wa video bofia. Ame yo kali ni leshini wa video. Medo bename kata. Efo Cornelius. Denver top president. Ele to come. Yele jokmo mi kata yele. Efo Cornelius. Now, if on your Steve, the PRO of Sienna, Bless no Sister Vivian Newman o kata on le Ghana dia mi le chacha mi le no mi le nya celebration so Vivian nya kajo ble bubu yo kata hele manu mi ayo deka mi kata mi awezo mi awezo wodo mi awele doji ha ya channel Facebook ajile kponya mre kuna message kaba authentic mama fan page na me message like and me na me love like play to you kata the same let Sienna YouTube page the same like Top FM online on YouTube. Ne ehayanya toko amieje no popo gome aje mi ape discussion gome opoga aton minute bla enevo ene ehaya toko ameje gome ke happy mi aje goma mako Mother's Day song abeleke me promise ako aje gome na me dada vivio fika me kako gato okay bayakum okay dada vivio dada lono efenami agbedije la mesen say hi ada dada o me do with it. It's for all mothers. It's going out to your mothers. Happy Mother's Day in advance.
I'm Isaac Royal Storm Bebe, and I only listen to Authentic Mama, the only authentic mama, MFA. Never.
When I won't sleep, my mother go bless me. Oh, she go lie me well for bed. Oh, she come me go sleep, my picking no. When I won't sleep, my mother go bless me. Oh, she go lie me well for bed. Oh, she come me go send me to sleep, my picking no.
What the feeling just presenting sweet mother. Sweet mother, I never forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I never forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. When I did cry, my mother would carry me. She go say, my pikin, where did you dey cry? Yo, stop, make you no cry again. When I was asleep, my mother would pet me. She provide me well. She come and make class, say me to sleep, my baby.
What do they do? Make you change the character to look like just for Top FM. You don't know say MFA do MFA.
When I get hungry, my mother go run up and down. They find me something when I go job. Sweet mother, sweet mother, I love you.
Nyolo kata sweet mothers okata happy Mother's Day in advance to you. Agbedidi lamese abokadrika nyonu vidi kpolao nyonu iwe jinavi ofonafu eye okpo vidi ojine menye nyonu vi o denafu apungba lono jiko osiloboto gbokleto awo. We are celebrating mothers, responsible mothers. So you can now baby.
My mother no go sleep. If I no chop, my mother no go chop. She no dey tire. How sweet mother, I no go forget the summer when you suffer for me. Yeah, yeah. Sweet mother, how sweet mother, oh, I love you. Sweet mother, I never forget you. But the summer is over for me. That's why for me to life. The air, yeah, sister. And down to you, man. On that. Yeah, you have to give your mother. If you forget your mother, that's your life. Sweet mother, I never forget you for the suffer where you suffer. Mother, I never forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. Yeah. When I get cry, my mother go carry me. She go say my pikin, when you dey cry, yeah, yeah, stop, stop, make you no cry again. Oh, my mother, oh, sorry. When I was here, my mother go beg me. She go lie me well for bed. She come and me blood, say me go sleep, sleep, my baby.
Oh, Baba, what do you do? Make you take Sakara State to look at the program for.
When I get hungry, my mother go round up and down. She dey find me something when I go chop. Sweet mother, sweet mother.
Authentic mama, the 103.1
When I get sick, my mother go cry. She go say instead when I go down, let she die. She go beg God, God help me, my baby. If I don't sleep, my mother no go sleep. If I don't chop, my mother no go chop. She no dey tire. Sweet mother, I no go forget the summer when you suffer for me. Yeah, yeah. Sweet mother, sweet mother. Oh, sweet mother. Yes, sir. And I always see that. Ma, Caesar, I see what I get.
authentic mama. The one who forgets one.
My sweet mother will suffer.
Ghana tell Kenya Fangoka, you enter my assembly hall. Masha Manaruto, authentic mama, and the fact.
You know what it will do. You know well. Now what in the world you my begin? Oh. You fit get another wife.
Authentic mama. The one who
You fit get another husband. But you fit get another mother. Brother. So, yeah.
It only said you feel get another husband, another son, another daughter, but mother is only one. You can't get it again. Only one mother you have, but I'm lucky to have two mothers. Yes, we those who are special people, we have two mothers. I'm lucky to be a twins. My mother is a twins. So Kuma and Atawa. So I'm happy and I'm lucky for that. I lost one, I still have one. God is so good to me. But that be special be na dada evem kuma klatawa achukula or something. I always go me glare. The kameka valley ya kaketeka etu academia jigbo ma for menveve neto legbowa medekuku celebrate your mother. Be happy with your mother. Be nice to your mother. Mother is just one. Father is just one. Maton kakpo amadeke or no. Unless where you lost them. Afina nyapo vevienye. Eyatane o lasio. Tola bela menveve ya ma. Medekuku fufokwe dadaude. Mi pobo jinye. Do nana ya irame. I know what I'm talking about. Eyatane o hane di ya iranye lagbema. Eke makpo dadao. Eyata maunyan tok globe bufufo. Ple dao. Benana gbede die. Ple didito la ingbaji. Ame yo me boabo fufo. Obo dadao wa. Obo agbia. Meno nyo. Echona pata ha. Eye me yina nyo. Nyato nyaseto menya bakawo nyo. Ga aton. Minute bla aton vo aton. Top 103.1 FM. Miele Clear Life. Le Sienna YouTube page in America. Sienna YouTube page. Sienna Facebook page. Oh, North America. Tamiano vio le Canada. Ole miasem. Ole miakpom. Iyo le America to call UK. Saudi Arabia. Or Kuwait. Pleto. Okata. Mesiame. All over ko. Ye nenya le Facebook. YouTube ko akpo na okata. And Top Media. Enye Top FM online on YouTube. Top FM online on YouTube is also live. Top Media on Facebook is live. TikTok, Top Radio 103.1 is also live. All mile live. La fama nyawe so. Minami comments. Ame yo le kwenye le authentic mama. Minam comment. Ame yo le kwenye le YouTube. Let's Sienna page Facebook. Weto minam comments. Ame yo le kwenye le Top FM online. Minam comment. Akpena milo nyawe so. Egbepe topic. Alo nyati enye. We are celebrating mothers. Nyele mothers alo dadao ejijo dodobo muti elabe echo May 11 enye Mothers Day all over lekike megodo. Nyawa Top Media nyawa nyele dadao celebrates yata meyo si emyape program amyakwe we are dashing out gifts. Nyele nunana tohado nami yata dada yolo nkonye sema dada maton nunana tohede la sinye melemianage eto Top Media togbo Top Radio togbo nami yata se nkonye neme bia babia de kavado ne don nwede alone fonu to no neke no wonao eye matonwa nglobo onye something very important crucial to you neme bumone ne you nene we no vivinam kwa mana award avaba hwele gbonye nene lo na tava hwe afa makpanga nyi nene lo ha ne metanva gbewa ava hwe mandia no na kacha le package me package o dara na me we are using that to celebrate all mothers, special mothers, all programs so me le nana leji edo junye ha fian ya be manami dada tohe o maton no na tohe ya ta dada o mi apetona no ntinye nu yo mi le wo mi apetona no ntine me bia babia de kavade kwa na bia na don kwa mario na va ho na joda gbe le gbonye la fi. Happy Mother's Day. Egbe topic alonya ti nye be nyono pe nyenye kukiyo me nyono alo dada otona ple nunana alo reward tohe ke leme ne mekpe fo akatanvo jijo popo eke vanama alo vana megbea eyanti dada tohe e Antonio dada hoho nye dada tohe yo kanye katkis o yo be katkis Benny Setoglo amekenye katkis na Jericho EP Church eye onye president na Meridian Presbytery Good News Choir ekenye nton ha menye member, so this is my president lenye pen kume if ya akpe dada wezo lekenye afiame
Yefo,
solmeto
Messia, Mefo,
choir to
Ulemede,
George na be egbe dada open keke kegbo toa mekpo be na vagbongo afianomi alumia peteni asro no enlofa be ava wezo
Nyola Doji,
mara kokuyo dedo ko fia awentonto be wase legbe le nu
Akbe, Oyombe, Benis, Setoglu,
okay
Menye Katikis le EP Church,
okay
Nichola ko dem le Jericho,
okay
Wemado ta Adenta, Povado Hado,
okay
Akbe,
akpe ke George nam akpe miele dada abeleke wento ne lese keke megodo aya mekata Mother's Day nunu pen keke ya enye keke toke ke du keke mekata wo die jesi more importantly than men alo Men's Day na ma bless igbe nyemenya nukata onchu no gbogbobe o me celebrate na yo abeleke o celebrate na dada wo kakenya amedie me na nchu gede obe yon tonto fe akbenono kafa do tae o abe o fe celebration amele vivido alo mele vivido don boton abenya nyonu o ala be nyonu wa nye wona nu gede nyawe ko va keke meche ye enu gede mi to ame wu yo nchu awo e na na be nyato ni tan celebrate na more than their own. Topic yenye be owode oha me kwa sigba amo complain na sigba be katkis krapo ena.
Akbe, Authentic Mama. Matomo Nupokwa ya Ado, Fiene, Nyasela, Ukule, Nukola, Ukatan.
Okay.
Aga Yiji, Ado, Dada, Open Keke. Page of Benny, Happy Mother's Day.
Okay.
In advance to all mothers, all spiritual mothers,
Yes.
all
Ladies,
girls,
mothers
in the making.
Okay.
Ukata, Dada, Open Keke, na Odungwa, na Echolo.
Okay.
Nyatafe, Enyama, Nyatafe. Zigede unchu fa koji de nyonu fe jigezan dudu
Okay.
e haine pu fifi lai ha ne mi be mi akpo pe inu nglo hama o fifi a bes e pesi abe ni mi le fu jana hayeye
Okay.
ta ni nye to khia de le dada o fe nkeke
Okay.
e la be me unchu odoga nyonu khila leti asike fe mozozo e do de na o ha.
Okay.
Edo dana wideke
Yeah.
eyi dana fedeka ha
Okay.
ave amowo sike ma uko de nyonu plenchuzia nyonu otende ne dego
Okay.
turu ekulele pele veve seseme
Okay.
edo uchi ame ha
Okay.
eyi mechi mola egbona plevie ewe ebe kadodo tohe ade le evi ple enodome
Okay.
minyebe de ni de nchu oda
Okay.
kake efufofola kadodo male de vie ple enodome ejiji dadara ataji
Okay.
anonune anonkume kpo de vie anono kpo ehena ekadodo tohe adeve eya ewe be dada ofe nkeke avale ejiwu ha nchuwe na owele megbena mi ya dada ofe nkeke elejita omega chiji otogbonalo.
Okay. Novi todolao miafe nyafe jojo hwegome ya mieto eyata nenye fifi ya fi nevado mo gbo wezo ke mere kuku dada o vivieto miato ha midoto wona onami yeyi gbona miapumona obe abia babia fa alo akonya kokpede nyawunami eyata na notoaji mia dada Benny Setoglo eyape nkosemnele ekenye miape special guest egbe ke mia yiji egbe fe nyatia pedeko be nyonu fe nyonu nyenye meka no be nyonu gomedede kai amegedo gbolonya do kloto no be nyonu de leke mi ade gome to gbo be mi nya bo nyonu eno te pleto oya pleto ha
akpɛ
nka ye nyonu
nyɔnu be mia ase egɔme kpe ɖa mawu ŋutɔ wɔ ŋutsu gbã
okay
ya wɔ nyɔnu kpeɖeŋu
okay
eye wòna gbedasi ŋutsua be nenye eta ne nyɔnua nanye kpeɖeŋutɔ ne ta nyɔnu ƒe nyenye pete nye be wòanye nyɔnu si ke ahe kpekpeɖeŋu nyuietɔ akpe ɖe srɔ̃ ŋu
okay
eye wòanye aƒedzikpɔla
okay
eɖudzikpɔla nyɔnu wɔ nuteƒe kpe ɖe ko
okay nyɔnu nye aƒedzikpɔla mi do tso ŋutsu me sigbe mi se ma be mi do tso mi okɔ ŋutsu ƒe ahaputi kɔ wɔ mi kakea haputi kui ɖeka wokɔ wɔ mia gake ŋusẽ va le miawo ale gbegbe kra gɔ hã ne yi maka tso wo ŋutsuwo gɔ hã vɔ kloe le anyigbadzie me miapete mi va le anyigbadzia nu geɖewo va trɔ mi ŋutsuwo le nyɔnuwo le ŋutsuwo ƒe nuwɔ ŋutsuwo hã le nyɔnuwo ƒe nuwɔ kpletɔ ke magblɔ be ne woyɔ be dada alo ne nye dada ɖe dɔdeasi kawo nye nu aɖewo ke mia wohiã be dada na wɔ
akpɛ ne be dada mada enye nyɔnu dzila nyɔnu si ke lɔ̃ na vi
okay
nyɔnu si ke lɔ̃ na srɔ̃gbã eye wòkpena ɖe srɔ̃ ŋu wowɔna woƒe exɔ wòtrɔna zu aƒeme
okay
ale be wònye na kpeɖeŋutɔ nyuietɔ eye ame tso nu ƒe yayrawo nye viwo vana
okay
eye dɔdeasi le nyɔnu masi le ɖeviawo hehe me wu ŋutsu elabe eya yina gbɔna gake yae le ɖeviawo gbɔ
okay
eye wòkpɔna woƒe dedienɔnɔ hafi nafɔ fu kaka dzi vɔ ɖevie nenɔ nunu neva dze anyi nɔ neva nɔ
103.1 FM
kata wòaha yi ɖe enuɖuɖu ewoe le dɔ mawo katã gbe ŋutsu akpe ɖe ŋu hã adi nu ewoe awɔ ɖevi ƒe nukeke gbãtɔ wòado gbe ɖe alo nyagbe ɖeka hã dada gbɔ wòtsona egbe koe abe nuwo va trɔ ta nyɔnu nye multi purpose type of a personality who has responsibilities on her shoulder.
Okay. A lot of
responsibility.
Okay.
That it goes with emotional, physical, and exhaustion.
Okay.
And mothers often juggle multiple responsibility, child care, household duties, and career, leading to fatigue and burnout. Ekpona nu ya opete vana nyɔnu dzi nenye be nyɔnu di be yanye nyɔnu dada elɔnu geɖewo ɖe me.
I see.
Akpɛ.
Novi todolao ele toji le dunenyo bobobo kple nyadzɔdzɔ wɔna ƒe ŋkɔsem authentic mama emefa ƒe ŋkɔsem ne le kple wɔnawo akpɛ nye le nuƒo kple dada Benis Setoglo dada Benis Setoglo amekenye catechist eye okanye Meridian Presbytery fair president Good News Choir fair president alonu nala eya fe nkosem nele todula vavawo adon ku lewo nto fe chichime eyi me dada odio kaka neva chi fe o ha neva de no va divi pleto no ka enye na de ke na don ku ti to dada ohun he enye na ke me nglo na bo enu ke me shares a lot nuka natanwa glo memory dynamics da found memory dynamics to dadawa
akpe
ofe dadawa
Mother's Day pele no abele yimi glomena. It's not just about flowers, gifts, or a card nana koe koyo. It goes beyond that because ejime na po no sikenyo nuchona evie.
Okay.
Eye enyi tonye madon kujia. Never a single child to my mother.
Okay.
Abe broken home mecho.
Okay.
Etonye la joge, enonye la joge.
Okay.
ta etso ɖe nɔnye gbɔ be wòalé mí
Okay.
atakpɔ míadzi aƒe míava zu mi míenye. Meɖo ŋku dzi be gbe ɖeka etsi le dzadza eye dzikedzo dze gbeɖeɖe le keke vɔvɔm ɖo mía. Eƒu du enumake ya wòlé mí ɖe akɔ ekɔ tsyɔ ɖokui dzi be vɔvɔ ma ne do le mía me ta ete kple asi li tame kple dzimegbe na mí. Ya wòdze ha dzi na mí ko vɔvɔ kple nu ya míekpɔ la wo petɛ bu. Tso gbe ma gbe dzi la mekpɔe de dzesi be menye ga nakpɔ eyɔ be dada gatɔ hafi na anye dada nyui o ke boŋ lɔlɔ si ke tso dzime
Okay.
nyui nakpɔe be ehiã viwo eye nawɔe na woa eyae woyɔ ame be dada. Meɖo ŋku dzi be gbe ma gbea ɖewo ma hi ne me faint ne nɔnye mele around
Okay.
elabe dzikedzo dziɖegbe ma etsa ɖo nu nya dzɔ ko eku edzɔ mi nya kake ya si ko ya wòlé viwo ƒoƒu.
Okay.
Be menye be wòbe yeawu ye viwo la ne wu ye ŋutɔ kpe ɖe enye nu yi ke le ŋku dzi na nye meŋlɔ be kpɔ o.
I see.
Akpe.
Enye lɔlɔ aɖe dada ɖe fia le gaƒoƒo ma me.
Yeah.
Togbɔ be nenye be etɔ kura bo ɖoli kura eya akpaseme gbogbogbe eya ɖaxe megbo nya ɖeke mi kɔdzo ɖe abra ɖe mi trɔ awo ta is a memory ke ma ŋlɔ bɔ mesi gba ke leke na agblɔ fifie be dadawo influence alo eƒe wɔnawo leke wòkɔ he wa ena be ne va zu ame ɖe egbe o hã ne kɔ le viwo he.
Nye teƒe me hafi ɖevi ɖe sia ɖe natsi le aƒe me kaka le eƒe ƒatɔxɔxɔ kɔ yina eƒe nunyanya nugɔmesese kple nusesewo dze tɔtrɔa eƒe xixeme ƒe nugɔmesese dze egɔme le age ma me eye le yi ke dzilawo etɔ kple nɔwo le aƒe me wole woƒe agbenɔa ɖevi ma edzi enusɔsrɔ̃ tso wo gbɔ. Enye nɔnye efia mi le yi ke ne mele asi o hã nanɔ abe ɖo le asi o. Efia mi le yi ke sue yi ke le asi o hã ne dze ŋu eye wòfia mi le yi ke mía anɔ gbe le Mawu vɔvɔ kple nyateƒe me eye míanɔ Mawu eye míanɔ kple míaƒe dzi blibo eya me míato Mawu ata mɔ na mí míazɔ dzi eya nye mɔ si ke wòfia mi eya ta nye meti hafi dze ɖevi sɔlime dede o elabe medze eyome kɔ evɔ le yi Sunday school.
Authentic mama le 103.1
eya etsi be menye mekɔ tsi va ɖo fifie nye hã mele ƒã ɖe ɖevi yiwo le gbɔnye kple tɔnye dzidziawo sia.
Wow. Eya ta enya mo gblɔna be kpla ɖevi ɖe mɔ si dzi wòato ne va tsi la maheɖa le edziwoa enye nyateƒe. Elabe menya be dadawo ene mi le aƒe me dzilawo le aƒe me kple wo viwoa ɖeviwo kpɔna woƒe agbenɔnɔ eye nye nɔ sese fifie be broken home yi va le dzɔdzɔ alo va le bɔbɔ le Ghana divorce yawo sunɔgbegbe yiwo va le dzɔdzɔa enye nu yi ke ɖeviwo alo míwo míesrɔ̃ tso mía dzilawo gbɔ aleke efo kofi kɔ treat dada alo foyawo hekɔ treat dayawoa ɖeviwo kpɔnɛ agbe ke nɔ dzilawo ma ɖeviwo kpɔnɛ kaka kɔ tsina yewo va zuna na numawo ƒuku. Few instances aɖewo ko ma gblɔ be ɖevi aɖe atso le aƒe ɖe me yi ke edzrewɔwɔ wokple dada kple fofoa woanɔ dzrewɔ anɔ bo nuwo ƒo kple tɔ ɖevi ma atsi ye ma va zu that sort of nyɔnuƒola o. Few instances ko ye ma gblɔ gake gbogbo tɔwo sunɔa enu yi ke ɖeviwo kpɔ wole kpɔkpɔ wole wosrɔ̃nɛ kaka ye wokɔ tsina ye wotsi va zu wo ɖokui si nɔ la they use the same experiences now because that is the experience they had from the beginning from their parents. Ye ko lagbe me dalakpa alo
ele teƒe le teƒe ewo le esrɔ̃gbegbe etɔ̃dza koe agblɔ be yewo survive to me eye srɔ̃gbegbe hã particular ne nyɔnuwo dze agbagba hedze vidzi ƒo ɖe teƒea esesẽna ƒe wogblɔ be yewoadzo menye be menye ɖokui tɔ dzi la o ne fukpekpewo le ema ekpɔna ɖeviwo xana ɖeviwo be yeado dzi yeanɔe ke ame yiwo ke gase wo ɖokuiwo ƒe seselelãme too much woawoe eɖena wo ɖokuiwo ɖa ko agblẽ ɖeviwo ɖi hã womebɔ ta broken home particular mecho na akpade ka kake ma gbolo pere jito be no viole ma enye na mia nyo pe didi be le keke suno le eku ha bava enye na mia pe didi be mi anu de viota female selflessness valena dadala be a mother will choose the children over herself epe jijo popo maga yana ewu be de vio be no akpo jijo me
enya mama me don kuchi me no secondary school ye 41 or 2 or so me don kuchi wa be ole be mia fle nade ayi school akoyi program de ega me no anyu ye me ba no bi fa ne no nye me no na ya be last born wa baby enu ma me wona ye eno ha jana gbagba be at least me le isi okakede na wonya do the school ko dibe enye be agba eta every time e jagbagba be na de na no asikofe na in case na me va ba bia ko ya kona so that ntudeke ha ma blame you me don kujige me va no avifane aloba no gbogbo ne bo le be obe mi akonu ya va school tovo me lesio enu ya wo nya fa falika ameyo le mi agba mi afa wo le me kokwa pata atafe ya na no po ocho anu po wa ba bia nu mi atimi abia like that sort of thing ye wa ben no nye no fo no ko fakulta wa afalika nyo no ava mi agbo yo no gbogbo ne no nye chiji no susubu afike wa ba po no ala kona me choma ko isu nyo no agbo be nga ya no nye data wa ta be data wa wo ko le like iPhone but the way for secondary school ville le tame bulan iPhone play abedo le enchu way for secondary school via na legitibe le ni akweto ya no nyebo na ido de video school ya de viva kule kukia ehia be ya dinike hia nye no ahwa school ya wona le gbogbo be edu because make more importance of secondary school at that time mekpo ka keke me va do vokezu no ekemenya eno ye no bias but ekpo because there is a difference between enye pleve via o alo via o ta efmo no gbe ekpo ve via nyenya gbede nyama ho globe ela this a profit alo reward eke ole popo that sacrifice edokun va ne gamele so ha ava do alo ayagble ava di nuku da ava dira ako head gama labi ako na obe na ko ba wonuma menye ntu de se ade wono ntu ado no never etonyo nai na ba bia gamele so school fe o nuka o atino be gamele so ka dada ne gblonya ma danlon atroto me leke avatiga akova now alo nu kenye kohia awe now be ofe chinajeme dada o fana konyi wuna dobo vion wunchuo I don't know because be ono gbogbo edome ekenye like echuede fume ta ono gbogbo there is a connection between the mother and the child because the child has slept in the womb for 9 months ta ople dada kadodo toke malome wu nchueke ko eko echia konna dada ovazoma kadodo ma mekpo be naturally ma we sigbe alome dalakpa
we nyatebe ma we eye o fiamile ikemi anogbe awe labe oyo ma u be nyon labe dominioto nublani pola anunyola tane enyenyon eye kucheche ma o lemewa wa sevevede vioti kura ha na menye vio ha sese de lamede anasi one no vio pe vide kura ne ekuma le mo la be ma unto waya nu madeni ame kake jichinya vule ado le yi ado me plenu jojo do we ya na boruku na ta evi financial pressure no na vida da ojiwu nchuo okay ela be ape you men chuo le penyo no together ha no be me le isi oko set do ko edo okay kakela nyonu awada nkuku ko ava flina ne koko awonuka adana de vio ta na me guardian single mother na nyebe financial burden will be so demanding ela be ntamu ikenyo mama le be never wo ha ava we kple susu be yeviwo nakpɔ nu aɖu yeviwo akpa be le ne gblɔtɔwo ƒe kpɔɖeŋu nyɔnu ma mekpɔ vevie nyenye le sukudede ƒe dzitsitsi ma me
Titi mama at that time.
nenemae nyɔnu ɖewo hã woana anyi ma woadzi ɖeviwo gake
Oda sila unda.
aɖasi eŋu da ɖi eye ame bubu ɖe ava kɔe hafi alé be ɖe
Therefore, for me legit quarter.
eɖo ŋku nɔvi nye ɖe dzi ebe ŋutsuwo xe dzi ɖevie na ya be mele edzi kpɔ ta edzi be ava donate eme be nekɔe nam enye maxɔe mexɔe ɖevie 2 years 7 months
I see.
fifie xɔ 9 years ye 10 years fifie mele dɔdɔ mexɔe le si ŋkutɔ me nya xɔ nya ƒonu na ŋutsuwo ko ŋutsuwo nɔ va le ɖevie dzi kpɔ ta ele gbɔnye fifi la
Tafia be nyɔnu ma edoda asi nyu le be wawɔ able ŋutsu anɔ metanwe ha.
mete well evelia ele limited to resources ta kɔƒe me wòle
Okay.
nya dɔ ɖeke tsɛ wòawɔ aɖaŋu ma meva le si o ta afi be ne ɖe asi le ɖevie ŋu la yeavo
Yavo.
emexɔe
And we are not celebrating that sort of mothers today.
no I
Ela
never
be
celebrate that
nene jagbagba pe foa eleti
eya na
ase.
aɖui
Ne me de efu ma o. Ye ne jia. At least ele be na nya be ma wo eke na be ne ta ji. Leti ase ke me gba. Ma wo make atenwa ka kpede wo. A he de vima. Edoya na wo min keke de ka vado ya ka ke min ka se agamo. Ta jila yo ke GV, the vieto egbenye mothers, tomorrow is mothers, and we are talking about mothers. Yota jila no yo kafra. Hemye nuchi yo jivile miaun. Home pom ya jio, alome po de vio jiwa. Miesubo. Kakeme fia be yata, ewo ha, efuike nekpeleti asika, agblenda ayameko. Akova na made, alo agblenda school made, dodeke made, at least nyɔnua abeleke miato miesia do mienyona no eyata na de jagbanya fofo ya ko ele be na nye be na mawo kpede won na di ko na nye be mawo aka kpede won be na akpo de vie di eyata mia me yo nye nyono le miankose ye miele kemye bo fofo mele enadeke wo alo mele jikpo ta yi ha nyi ma pefu de devi ma won ti wa nya we na dricho leke jale menye we na dria kakene dada pefu de vi nyonu alo vita ye de vie be togbo be papa mele nadeke wa alo me pe de won ti o na we ha etua e wo wa celebrate e wo ye ma wo ha ayira e la be ne ma wo be de nyenye be mi atanko de vie over keke me ye mi ko eva tana de kake be me wodoa ma wo feto keke le na de kama tanchu yo hele ko kafralo odo funyonu vi o pran akacho adalakpa menyenye dio kake mi nyabe e fukule pe nyawa o le very difficult to issue so yemi adna fo that the nyonu vi ma opokoji and they'll be going through all trouble so kakakaka the vi on ha no geometer be yo kakpojiwa you are going to account for it a day to come let me do efoma agboanu jagbagba na woto sinu ma ona dasime alome sigbe ya tafifia ni kweje sibe meti makweto akpado ami yo nye single mother so menyu pe didi onyo be wazo single mother alome de pe didi nyon do didi be eyireka yo pa me de yo wa wonu de voko agbana vazo re ka to
menye pe didi cry
leki na ta encourage nyonu makuku he unfortunately la lojo be vointe over jonene
abele ike na egbule ya
authentic mama 103.1
rewards yo hele motherhood one single mother so who enjoy na ninye be o persevere
okay
perseverance
okutre
ko wunu a jidudu fe fi akuku azuoto
okay
afi megbona sidi obedogo nyonu de evie ntuvie eton titi etole university
okay
ele watermelon deta ya no jajera ebe ihona lo na devie ele suku ele dodogbe susu o meve susu eche o le suku eye kele ojikpo me ponyo no du ame chene be ni wa ole ne no nse do devie oche be wa uzu amene be chode ha akpo jijo that as a single mother mega bube ye de ka ko ni de ka nyi megbona na single mothers wenye be mega bube nchu ble de vie de ejita edawu mi ple de vie o
Okay.
ya yira sike ma wuko na chukula sike nchu ogbebe ma wo pe wo po de ma wo de ya yira ma le nchu oji akokpede onyo nu to
Okay.
eye nu ike nchu le be ne wo de wa wo nchu ta onyo nto pete na de vie o eye ma wo awe ha be anogbara be za ya be amene kama dagbala na bubu hava duo eze ya pa gbanga ible tamesia me adu ya nto pe fu pe kucheche
Okay.
ya ta na edu jide ma wu kokuti kuku pere nwa adu wasi mebolo ana bubu de kema bila siwo
Nene kutri obe kutri kulai eya fagbagba jeje me ye everyday donachona mi le celebrate na lo mi le nyono nkeke dum echonye nyono pe nkeke eye nye le nkudo nyono pe agbagba jeje yo fu pepe yo motona kona viva togbo be nchu e kona viva na nyono khone cover na hikeme na nchu cover now ne wo me kweva hikeme o ma vao ta enya man chudo krago hano be yewe komiva pletowa e just a halfway ne ne kwa tututu a ne nyono be yi majiwo ado dangbe alo be ka cho ne nchu kofu na nyono a heme hofuma ple ejibe ya jide angbaji wa mado ya ta nyono a nyenye nun etohia ade ke mawo ye nyenye ameveve na Yehowa mawo togbo be mewo mi gba ha enya no iketa wo mi evelia ben ya nyek pedon to na ni asuno o alonchu ya ta nchu yo ko o fe gba nyenye ko no obosu no nu dia la feme o nyonu mafo no nu sia no ke o na block o ko ma manya na nya be you are mistaken ele no gbegbele wo menye sigbe Kristo wo nenye wo de ka rainbow speaking azua anka o ma wo nyonu pedan ti wo wo de ka ko na nan ana ofe no wo ya tan chude sere na nye bede yiwenye ta kakea nyonu manomia matenwa wunu wado nyonu manome nchu ha matenwa we wado sigbe Kenya pavio katan ya ta mia anye kpodon na mia no nya de aboga me na mia no na mia ton akpomia fe nchukle nyonu nyenyeji bevie to sunoto yoji evi akpo vioji be agbamanya medicato societal expectation of women are ever le agboso alegbegbe alomeka yacho enu gede a oko higede dade nyono tibe nyono emehevie nyedo na nyebe de vie vazu kafra etomasenu nyekpo na zegede be nchu na de vie ozu ama emi opojijo be ovinye ya wana sita ko anu asifia de vie penyu ka ke na de vie nya zu kafra ameya ka de kwa oba media dada gbo choproto lekemi atanwo menya be marriage counselor hanenyu lekemi atanwo akpama ado enyamado beji live o wasobodo kregome enyo menyo nyamevewe egblen nyamevewe eta newa nyobo wa nyameve mi we nyebon alo
nyenema akpe society emokpombe nyunu la bele gomejeje me echa do na mele nyonu pakpajiwa ape meji pokpokle de vio gege ya nyonu pe do dasi eya talo dodo fa gbana ha gbolobe evinyanu do jijo na fufo bi bien be me ka efianu apo nyanu apo nye jijo do na fufo ka ko bene de vie chi bumela nyanu khana dada efie be dada khanu la be ejagbagba ike wa tenwu afi de vie mete pu up at the way o le bene wo tala ezunu khani ka kene o lene ne ma mi me vie ko eve ta elebe mi adada un zigede the mooding system ye le fienye be career mothers o le system me magade so no fia jevidi ya be anye housewife o le be na no na newo ya ha kata nyonu di be ya manage du ya kata we be pressure no na ni mo oji ya ta nyonu megboji du la atan breakdown le do da si ya o me la be ya de kale ni o pete manage
authentic mama
le wa me be de ni be nchu me le wo kaka pa kan to le nchu o petaji nyonu o petaji ya ta me de vie do to je poi kokoko agalanje vie ya menye mawu do agbe ya na vinyu de ko mi o e ko do be adoni po Bemi atan trasi le ŋu abia yeƒe kpekpeɖeŋ be ɖeviwo woanyoa míayi kolodzi ado gbe ɖa ɖe wo ta abia Mawu ƒe amenuveve be netrɔ ɖevie na mí menye be míanɔ blame game ewɔ o gake tsitsiawo doa lo be egbeve menyina vi o eya ta wònya be aƒe ɖeka me wònya be vi kple etɔ kple nɔ nenɔ no he ɖeviawo gake ne mama le aƒe ɖeka ma me la ɖeviawo agblẽ dadi gblɔ le mama gblɔ le ewɔ be ɖeviwo kpɔe be yewo dzilawo mele ɖeka o ɖevi ma woata gblẽ right there in that same house ye single parent hã ne meƒe ŋkume nɔ ŋu nyuie ɖo o be yease veve ɖe ti mi ma ahe ɖeviwo be mla ɖevi abe le mi gblẽ nenye be ebe ati vi aɖe to hehe vivivi ma na anyi o la ɖevie tse sisi ɖa kple vɔvɔ mama nya be nu ya nu gbegblẽ yo ta nu mawo pete la le be ɖeka woanɔ aƒe ata wɔ be ɖeviwo woanyo akpe
Tudola vavao ga ade minute bla evevosieke 629 top 103.1 FM ele authentic mama emefa ble dunenyo bobobo pakple nyadzodro na ofe nko sem nyina no pokple afeno alo dada ekenye catkis ben setoglo amakenye catkis iyo kanye president na Meridian Presbytery Yunus Koya egba nyina no pocho dada nyenye doda sieke leme kuhiyo memietona ple as enka nuyo miekpona video ke vana le fukpepe o megbe abe dada ofe don ene eya untimi le no poto ye mechanic be todo la mi le toaji text and WhatsApp messages so one of them le 0244 066752 text and WhatsApp messages so ameyo le Facebook aji live le authentic mama fan page on Facebook akpena me mi ape message yo ha mi atan live vida for mama ankhelo kata ameyo le kwenye live le Top FM online on YouTube Top FM online on YouTube the same thing you can leave your messages we do so to read them out for you also Siana YouTube page le America Siana Facebook page le YouTube page and Facebook page okata le North America akpe you can also leave your messages there and I'll do well to read them out for you if it is a questions or suggestions or addition mia wo katana mi no vi todo lao megbo mopu na agbe ma titi crown be wo ha ado susu agblo nenye be babia de li alo kokokpe de li a akokpe don akeme ba afa ma yichi amabia be no kanye what does it mean to be a mother ben na nye dada de no ka onye leke nya no hafia nye dada lo meka vuku nye dada mafuku he egbalo gbele a nye le celebrating Mekao, what does it mean to be a mother? Nuka onyebe na ono yo be dada nuka o mean nuka fear yet nuka o nye enunde kavado na tasijina o yo lam yanko sem fifia
akpe ne wele me blodo ngobe Mother's Day is more than just flowers, cows and gifts. It is a sacred purpose to honor the heart that nurtures life.
Okay.
No, that thou wowe entronasi amegbeto sike mawunto wodemiama wonebe agbema echina zuname
zunanu nyede okay
ta vessel de ezetoheade dadao nyenye
okay
like emeyo fukple nu nyame to
son
sike atan ade kucheche mautogbi penono medego
no
ni manye
dada me mafuko ta nunu na melao ameyo nyona nu edona nudo wona nu ekemenye nu vazuna nu menye fuko yewo fuko nye dada okay fifilaya mabia be how can society better support mothers society memele apleki nye blendongo he efupekpe va le dada ple papa oji bevieto economic issues yo difficulties yo mie le hardship yo me va la enu gedi va le totro nyonu a chamye nye be apleki egbla doko de mi da feme ni adonye be mi akpa fieji I make sure I feel clean. I don't know snow. I don't know like I put the VOG school you ya born you ever do. I school I go collect you. Kakefifia motherhood, or yes, it's not like that anymore because the economic hardship, low societal, changes of the world, vanabe and otro. No, any bank manager, you na dome. Nyatomi nyata mekenyo bank manager akpan abado afeme. Doma hin to amenye mele doma puku wo. Eya la feme fifi. Do ka hia be no mafuku you hia be wa kpo vieji wa foka ba kplo afieme. Adonuji akpo be tino dunu no dada no the view is kupleto. Can that sort of women, current women, do the same thing? Abeleko no China. Can you want to expect in there? We should still tune to that old notion there. No mutonya afeti pokwa. Dan yo ya matang pedem yang kra lenda dalo etilenen de fiolo de fio popolo no mawa. Like me adjust no in recent times yo mele.
Akpe egbelenye enya tefebe parenthood. Nene be parenthood ko fi be nchu pelenye ni na zo parent na de vio nchu pelenye ni to evito ple vino pedo dasia menye dodo onye na je gome kwa chi apoji
Okay.
ewe mi akpa si awe awunu te o chi do soro ha you are still the mentor, first mentor for them. Have grandchildren so level baby. The society bene wa pede mothers who many dominion ko
Okay.
and let the federal society to support mothers.
Okay.
Elabe you rise up to managerial position and whatever CEO peleto.
Okay.
Many yata ha wa kwa eva femo.
Okay.
Kake bene wa tam balance equation elebe uchu sike o denye tanela na senyo ni magome. Akpo beje sibe ha dewa. Megbolo na nyepe counseling do bedi. Nenchu do nyabe commodity papa a man will sit down and invest in the woman and be enjoying.
Yes, behind.
Yeah.
Without even suffering.
Ela ba woman do man SHS code. Kakaina dia na kpobe she carries something.
Yes.
Tato kwenye be na kpobe vide. No wo evening classes vide. Kaka na nyako acha wo HND kaka ko wo degree. Kaka na nyako ekpo dore edoma wo mu la ele ko gava kpere nwo be ni awonuka. Akoda to gbobe amegbeto tro na ha. Uchu ome ga ko ebe susu me be nyenye ta enyi wo gba ko evo. Bo su type ma dede me ga liye gba.
Okay.
Because co-sharing never le marriage me fie.
Mepede.
Co-sharing
Be ko level otinuka expenses ka otina gboko cover
that will me. Just know the proper arrangement e ko for look how ha na wo. So ne SMS gbela ka le be your partner ni ani o. Apede ni ani o. Oyo ese yo le duko me ha. Ne pede ni nwu be le wo fe change emotional changes ma o me efufo eyi yo ple o maternity leave ple to ma wa.
To be able to accommodate.
Be wa tan just better. Mental health no not of it. What time rest here? Agagugbo asitap and manage the responsibilities. No, there's no way medical go fit here which you pay responsibility and you gawo. Not a benchu one at the kaka afame play the view over the no. Eya limit play deadline no long. Retirement hammer ta elevens egbe for modern system yelela comme se semane moniasi afini agareme
ta nchu wa nchu mi le mi ankosem mi omele mi nadeke for against me o do komile no dodo le no kodotefe fifi life e kike mi la no pe doda si vala gboso ela be nchu gede metankala o pe doda si fully wo be nyacho non example o nchu ekpo nyonu de ye de me kodara feme be ni na afie me ni na afie jikokpo ni no nda na ni no de vio jikpo na nyanu awo afie kata le neat na yagbo no ya mele gade ke cover lo to ko ba afie jikpo make le common in recent time in the world, any part of the world fifio Nyawe kako le asking as bede. I'm bringing this on board. What are you also bringing on board? Sigbe nchu ba le ba bia fifie. Efia be nonwa Nyele shifting from our la duty came out na be nyanya feji pola e vigilao akpa feji a 50 make a lesigbo ela be nyanchu okem nyele ba bia be me ba da ode chochi no ka o ha ne kokogbo akopeda une ne ba bia ma melewa anka enyare kemelio nyonu ebnya be yitonya fe mekleto ka ke 50 himya o ha myekwe economic situation in recent avale too huge for Nchudeka be na wa mi ha mi di be nyono ade ni wona ade ni chasi ni the school ni wonu ya na ne ko gadeva and so no vado fuma fifia le be mi anye ha be emi nyono deka maton ka foko adanu awonu yo akpo de ogbo akpo school atrogbo avadanu adonu ti akutina kweto afe ayi domo ela be now responsibilities are many than your own. Ta elebe mianchu miasego mazo bede nchu miatan pede sister mafuku esuno mafuku de hele yi ati domeka gboa otino negbokaba you can also cook down for your wife allo atakpo de vio gbo nu kam yedu afle nu ne de vio alo dan ne de vio pleto ajra pie me do nchu do boto konye be I'm the man so to konye be afeme kakinyo no ha le dowo no gba didi tan wa fi wa vaja fe me dom to wa nyakwe be ejre kwe na no afia me 24/7 dijo popo ma mi o la be nyono akpo be ye le fu pe apa wale ko le be yakpo yata ehia be society especially nchuo nyakpe de miao be miao ha mi atan kpe de miao ne mi kata mi anan awodo le hunti fa for me adi de vio pele dijo nyono do jivi tubo ka kemenye vivi sese ko jivi ma o. They are just a machine they are producing. They come to a bamline. Me let it joke na no makrapo o college joke po le fuape ye yo mekaka wajio. Ela be edowi. Nucho ene mi le nyono open keke eji echoa ene me nya yo bla. It is your responsibility as men to support your women mentally, physically, religiously, and emotionally, but they will be strong enough to sustain your home. Open into papa me na lika nyonu bocho nyonu can destroy you agbelon ofagbe me na agbelon nyonu make aka nyo na na bia nyo yata oglobe behind every successful man there is a woman. Yes. And the same applies to woman. Behind every successful woman there is a man, and they all need to collaborate before they can be able to achieve that saying. Hello, statement ma. Eyata mutuo mi hia pekpede untu mi agbo alegbegbe elabe mi o ha mi la fie jikpozo menye be mi adeka ko ikale jikpo alumesigba. Eyata na mi la afejikpo plimia mi o ha mi pede mi o bede mentally o man too stretched out be no avazu kafra etuno anono for that ya me ya de kale kolen for because pressure lady depression ba gedem eyata society na akpedemia ye miao nchokie konye society miao pole nchokie koyota na mi be society it means we are talking about you men to support the women to be able to maintain your homes well and even whatever they do outside the home. Be kege menanya no namikata alomeka acho no vitoro lao ga a 10 minutes plan nevove mabu mo now na gede megba afa mayi jikpele nyefe guess but akumele mopu now ayom le 0 ayom le you can 020376 0203769562. Hello, which one? 030. Okay. 030 0303 944 864 0303 944 864. Hello, 020 376 9562. The first caller. Hello, Upper Metal.
Hello.
Where's your Upper Metal?
Hello.
Hello, where's your Upper Metal? Melancholy say for you.
Hello.
Melancholy say where's your? Okay. Melancholy say come me come bubu.
Hello.
Upper Metal. Volume. Let's see. Okay. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sister. Malaku Wezo.
Hello, good evening.
Sister, good evening. Wezo. Thank you so much, sister. Yeah, let's go.
Hello, good evening.
Sister Melanco say, Uncle Day. Is it from here? Hello. Efonya Geoffrey Agbojinshi. Ejo I gbé tán tó mi kalẹ̀ tó ají fi ya.
Àìgbé tàtọ́ rẹ̀ tóbi.
Agbọ́fà lẹ́kẹ́ mi lẹ̀.
Ọ̀ mẹ́sí àmàlì fẹ́ fi ẹ́. Gba mẹ́gbẹ́ àti Mabẹ́ Zenami gbà.
Thank you.
Mẹ́gbọ́n àyọ̀bẹ́. Daniel bọ̀ fún tọ̀nà jìkọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ́ mà.
Àpẹnẹ ma o.
Ta ẹsẹ̀ ní nàpa sa. Ta mẹ́gbìlẹ̀ òun tọ̀ gbà fún máa gbòòjì.
Okay.
Kẹ́rù kọ́ máa gbọ́ pé ẹgbẹ́ ní àgàdẹ̀ ẹ̀hún.
Okay.
Nyɔnu a nyawo nye ta gake sia ta hã melo gali fu abe nyɔnuwo va eŋu teƒe wɔ mawu ni.
Okay.
Arume va.
Ya ko ma de we to ne nya ye. We to nya ye.
Ta nyale bena nyɔnuwo ho na le bena ni. Nenye bi na wɔ ne wo nya tɔ do dia na ɔdi ne nya akɔ ke dia be bisia mo so gbe nye ma.
Me ku besti. Akpena ota o ma bia ha dota da sino na me bubu na gede me emegbe ma bu. Yo. Hello. Apemeto. The young shall grow.
Yeah, I'm the one.
Osito labani.
Onye na-efiacha nye ya ajụjụ na wala gbogbo nye tụla tebe. Daka adakwara bịa kuma kọrọ teji. Ama na ba school fi ya tada na kucho ya ama amala mu. Because
Bebeluka.
Daka fo don ku shi to ko to ala. Wan de tara nya. Because school fi ala nya ya me ka kere ta.
Kuyo akpena.
Ale ni mo chema ajụjụ nam.
Okay.
Malo kwa toro ko ni chenya ko ja ahare nya le gbo ko ni.
The young shall grow. Nano twaji, the man na win award national. Tana no twaji sia. Okay. Hello, Apometo.
Politics.
Efonye.
Ina kana provocative vai kwa fadha na katia vake. Tatu yeso ya. Ojo happy Mother's Day na kate esonye. Italo, izitalo, nestalo, play. Jeko kumata katanya no kata happy Mother's Day na ya kata.
Thank you so much. Ya binam ya so everyday hasia. Bye. Hello, Apometo. Hello, Apometo. Wezo. Elanko say, line is so hot. Hello. Lemona ready now. Efo and sister Bobo ready now. Hello. Yes, sister Wezo.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Elayoto.
Malayacho is Lego.
Oh, they.
Nyama. Mayo mi kwa bagba no. Akanya nya dada bagba. Afon kebe chikonani. Ek maglaba aiko na milo. Mialo gaju mialo dawanda lo.
Mada kuku.
Au na dashi na milo.
Leko yo now.
Hello.
Nko de leko yo now.
Nkanye to
Gladys le fika is Legon.
Gladys to is Legon.
Akpekeka kana noji award dole miele celebrating Mother's Day ma hi adu award eta no to ajisia.
Marakuyo.
Okay, akpe megbe ma bu mo na mi ayo.
Yo.
Okay. Hello, Apometo.
Hello.
Ewezo nko kwa fina yo choye.
I am the William. I also know me.
Wala ku baba radio ademe mesi go matan no chi. Jole radio agba lo wa baba ademe.
Nyalo the Gule.
Mele ku baba radio ademe gba afemi atafo.
Me chole bokra.
Aha, be come kale do kunya fe nko sele ewo. Aha. Mele ku na no foto.
Domi
Akpe sister mi le toji na o.
yo. Oh, me mande ayiko nam. Ele mi emi anya no ejide fo na mi de. Akona mi.
Okay.
Yeah, single mother, but when the Japanese to Akpena Mountain, Bonaka,
Me.
the mountain, book of the double in
Okay. Don't
Akpẹ́bọ́ ní ìwé ọ̀hán.
you.
Okay. Emegbe na bia kasia. Hello, Apometo. Hello, Apometo. Madaku nene leunjo na yo le 0303 944 864 0303 944 864 or 020 376 9562 020 376 9562. Hello, Apometo. Hello. 020 376 9562 020 376 9562 or 0303 944 864. Hello. Awezo, Apometo. But I couldn't call coffee in your tree.
I'm going to Anthony, Itoko.
Cap, but I couldn't give a beer alone. I can accompany them young.
Mother's Day, I know you got out of the Roma. I put them in wall and you are but and you got out of Mauna and now to the Senate. I go to the way I put it, she knew what it is. It's a non Banyala, the Capella, never go, a room, Germany, but I saw my Mauna.
Akpẹ́bọ́ ọ̀hán rẹ̀.
Yes, no comment.
Amen. Akpẹ́bọ́ ọ̀hán.
Akpe. Okay. Yeah, you're Abia Hamegbe. Hello, Apometo. Which one? Hello, Apometo. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Wait, so Apometo.
Hello, yeah, but
Mauta, me for you.
you are the phone.
Labadi, give a level of your
Yeah, come on, you come on, you if I come at you. No, come on, never up a month to a corner. I don't know what after a young then when you are a Miyama or a piano muda. I'm going to be a couple of my bag anymore. I'm a shaman cover from a time. Look, I'm a shaman of your family. I'm going to Arsenal.
Suno Lasiwa. Give her Suno Lasiwa. Give her. Oh. Hello, give her. Okay. Hello, Apometo. Ways of phone.
Hello.
Ways of phone. Apometo. Madaku Wezo.
Hello.
Hello, Melankos and Wezo. Good evening. Call Plafine Ochwe. Okay, Sister Esther, me let you now. Amen.
Happy Mother's Day,
To me, Kata. Akbelo. Okay, bye. Hello, Apometo. Okay, I don't know. Where's Zolo? Yo, go Plafine Ochwe.
Hello.
Hi. Hello, sister.
I'm Kumala Yoncho Airport.
Code.
And you're going to
At Konomia to now.
Mokwenya Panobla, a George Nampa, a single madam, and yet, my fourth wound to a bay, Yamela for Catafisha Mau, the Via for 10 years. Yellow, you shall make one when I moan.
I'm so happy
Day to all. Thank you so much. Akpena okay na kpo de magician de fi ma avance. Hello. Mebede. Hello.
Hello.
Aha, ta de fi ma na kpoji na yiji na kpoji sia. Okay, akpe. Hello, Apometo. Hello. Baba Radio. Hello. Baba Radio now, Davi. Hello. Hello, Davi. Good evening. Baba ready now. Yes. Okay, Nkode. Hello, Nkode. Melankose afa. Good evening, Melankose. Selasi jole ready abo. Because makalan konye semta. Aha, Selasi for nami. Hello. Selasi. Hello. Yes, Melankose for no. Okay. Hello, Apollo. Hello, Rizzo.
Yo.
Nkode. Sister Kafi le yocho.
Nima,
mi le choje Sister Kafi.
mi ave topic that you me de enyon to. Ala be wutu na galanda ka wolu. Ewo nyonu. Wa fo, wa le tina de. Na juli de ka kwa teni, ameve ameto. Wa le tina de bimawo, wa kula ni pa. Wa wo to saka kana mo ko bibi sewe. No me da no chowe enyale fimi ka wutu atne wutu de abi, ne no se de abi. I want to have responsibility to take direction and everything madam. You know, Katara never family. No, too much, Mama. Powerful. Exam about the now,
and yellow.
On the formula, and no trophy.
Okay.
You are not deviated, not for the geology.
But now, sister, and me a fear at a meal program. So I say, academia, academia, sister. Okay. Oh, total love found Yesu Christo mega at the minute blah aton for aton 6:55 top 103.1 authentic mama pledge to know Bobo show. Hello. Bobo
Authentic mama.
I could Bobo ready and now. Manakuyo men kwanyese nasi kwa matano tu already na bobo de megba
Manakuma jolego
because makalan kwanyese
majolego malagota
aha efo eli de
na mi
wezo
yo gawe doji
manakuyo taifato
maone taifato kata ofo
David play the video
o kata o le fi
e church page ajado nkami negbo na David part dem ya be ma bia edo
Hello, Gabi ke mau ko dare be chomi akwa e choto any surprise.
Okay ta. Waji mebo e na gbe top media ni le gift na. Kata no to ajare e ka mo na yo na adu ade na so.
Me ku ku me ku.
Jiji.
Me ji no mo fe ji be na mi kata le e chokan ke kaji na mi bo. Mada kuna dada kuna fe katekis ne fe nufuta ala ba mi ka kuma ko kwenya be no kata ne wo ntu do fu alo jifi e ntu ma na suwa no kuma da kuku be abale ke dada gbe na no le jire fu be wo ha ndo ma de mi nawo o mo yan kata ntu ojo lo gbodo ebe ihe ofe ya yere ka ntụ ọjị na obodo be ya yere ke ma ọkọ na wa suosi tawo ho ma ga ko ntụ ọjị na ogbo ta yo ha ya gbe de dia ọdị wa vansu eni gbogbo wa ya le edukomo e ko ni ko ko pe ele dadala
hello apemeto
David Omefa
African Wezo. Is it Sprinter Store? Sprinter Store. Takpe. Really?
on watch all you can to ya channel chole ya ha ko wado ale be nya mete ya pase do ayiko
efo gallon akpe kakaka nchu leke gbe mi ekonya ona ma ejoji na munto efi abe totro le vava akpe me pase pele na mi nchu pete akpe okay hello apometo
Oda.
Davi ewezo nko kwa fine yochwe
Ma ku nko yin edora ma yo so do wenya.
nya to mi le to ajina
Yo, ma ku ma da pa ba de na kate ki benis pe onto pe o gede nya ma na mi o so le ko la chufe be mi do won mi ha mi do won yin to ho do ma mi ha mi nya na ka so da wu bia da ba le o de me na nya ni ba akpeno lo
akpenao ke enye nya beti mi lese kwa mi akomia fe portion so akono do wo kwa afie me na nyosia happy Mother's Day now dada okay emegbe hello afameto nko kwa fini oche sabekile no focho Nima okay mi le to di sister
mi da tell you about my grandson
okay ma woni vemi katamia no be mi anye selao pleji wolao akpena happy Mother's Day in advance amen magbono do shegbe enu aton shegbe e Mother's adota no to ajene makapu moko na yo na do nko na because ya akpe hello afameto
hello manafu fielo
weso
let's me we got me especially single mothers we got me na ku so no ko me anti mama ko oncho na do ataka na point to chiwa mama to do bi ya no bo aba yuto ta ncho mo ko na video ani ko mi ade ku ji na ko mi aba video ji lo
okay nko de malata akpe ncho o lese na sia egbe ncho so le to ajina mta o lese akpe kakaka emegbesia amen hello apameto
hello
ewezo nko kwa fine yo chifonye
I'm going to go to the
baby police ko be kom to le kan fo fie ya mi le to jina mi
and I can amada whenever you choose to the more. I can't know more no more you know. Oh, but after that, I said, you have a two or did you could have married with that poet. Myself, whatever that poet you. I can't. No, now Boma and Chuto for Boma, don't you know the beauty from it? No,
what you want them could do, Messica. Akpe baby police, akpe now, see. Yagble no fete okatawase. I'm siamele to chom leme. Nchu okwe nyono kata. Eyata makanejimi mile to ajide. Nyono ha. Obe nyono ado ha mye GV 2 years. 3 years kumi vagne de nchoji be omelejikpo alomekpo fo ajuta no ma fete we are not celebrating you today. We are celebrating mothers that are responsible, mothers that cater for their children from beginning to the end. Over zunanu de yo fukuji le celebrating alomi le jokpo don menye yo wakako de vioba dangbedobo fo obo nchu ogbo pleto wa awo. You are not a responsible mother. Nene wosigbe. Hello, Akometo. Mommy.
Peter Kasia.
But I could
o be amoji ko ma dare o ko bi ne bi enye ne bi ne one never 35 mama The real fear to the for the real manage the manage the children hospital, the real 9 months. You have to work in your car. You want to do the year here. You want to do the year to cover this for 2 years. I don't find that right now. Someone is the name. I think you 3 years ago, no matter how you matter, whatever my Madam, you know, what is it? Wow. Oh, it's not that. That's about to be good. Yeah, my tongue was some of the original tomato, oil at the okay. Hello, Apameto. Okay, cause all of our Alec for Gandra minute at Tonton. I'll take a few 5 calls again. Ekema Mawu segment yano, Ayijina Mikula another segment. Eatamada Kuku, many a bear, no, Joe, I'm a similar to Gifia, Lemian Cosson, Alabama, do I told you no Bobo show. None of you all America to come, they're also doing the listening, and all of former Lemian Cosson. All over wherever you are watching us from, we appreciate your time, and we appreciate where you are listening to the conversation and you put them into practice. In current, recent world, both men and women, we are all doing the same, almost the same thing. We need to help each other as men, as women, to be able to live in harmony. It is not those days, but in Chuvado. Then the bad affair quarto, you been an affair, Nadanu, Nako de Vioji, Nakbo, na Intraji, Leto. Now it is never like that again. Things are changing, and men are calling for women to help them financially to cater for their children and also the need of the families. And so we suppose as men also to help the women to do their house chores and things, and also to look after the house well. Men must support them. And so, Nuchuyo, Hemie Kademi, Alomeva Demi Kodranko, He Mina chop money, talk when you be na domina, Bonu do lecology, Devio, Oyo, Mayo, Menyawa, Voloma, Menyawa, Menin Chumapuku Mekalu. Nenyabe, Eyana, Ekema, na desno, Sonoma wodo. You want to be okay. Hello, Afameto. Good evening.
Good evening.
I want to sing Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, go ahead and sing. What's your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Joel.
Joel. Calling from where? Where are you speaking from?
Joel Kwabela.
Calling from where? Dowenia. Go ahead and sing Mother's song for all mothers. Go ahead.
Happy Mother's Day to you. 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 My happy Mother's Day to you. My happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, happy Mother's Day to your mother too. Joel, thank you so much. Hello, Apameto. Hello, Apameto. Okay, let me take the 3 last callers. 3 last callers. So cool. Let me end this. 3 last callers. So I am 0303-944-864 or 0203-769-562. 0203-769-562. At one year lejalo 0303-944-864. Nyela no pocho jilao nyomo ti egbe elabe echo enye Mother's Day nyomo kata fen kekele kike magodo ye miao miele miado ko jrado ple enyago mesese na miano nchuple nyono be nyadra miado kodo happy echo nya a celebrate. Hello, Apameto.
Hello. Happy Mother's Day in advance.
Thank you. Amen. Okay. Nkode.
Ata.
Leyo yocho.
Airport.
Akpe now ata. Akpe kaka. Happy Mother's Day to yourself, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
You.
Bye-bye. Okay. Hello, Apameto.
Hello.
Hello. Wezo.
Hello.
Nka okula fina ya chui. Nka ode.
Fly.
Le ya cho.
Chume sabadu.
Okay. Ya iji. Yele toji.
Medo bena. Made somete.
Okay. Enya kala si na ofete.
Media ala mesenawe.
Okay.
Ewa tano oviogbo akpo jiwachi.
Okay. Akpe. Happy Mother's Day now ofete lese ha. Okay. You know vi to do lava vao. Nyeda akpe na mi. Then ya pay your town maka hokos adeke hado nya hold on course for now nya yi wanaji gandre minute ya seke nyele no fople catkis ben sector glow ameke nye catkis na EP church il kanye president na Meridian Presbytery Good News Choir ya fe no no la ya fe nkosemiele enye ameke enye counselor ha marriage counselor onye ha e wona dogede egba elemi adome yemi fonu alomi le no focho nyono fe nyenye ekuhiyo me nyono tona eye apedada eke no ekuhiyo megbe alo video eke no kuhiyo megbe a eya unti mi le no focho yemi pe be nyono a opi efugede evijiji efufofo kakakaka ba ji o kakakpo ji kakawachi ahe o peto afemeji popo ncho ji popo leto kata yemi kava kweje si be fifia nyonu o kava le dowo alegbegbe menyebe afeme doko o wo dole office so asima o pletepetefe o ya fifia mi le babia be how can the society support the women in recent times yemi le that they can do their best and give out their best as wives as mothers to shape the society because na nyonu me leke a shape the viewers are glangelao na nyonu me leke wa fie me nyodo ncho ha makpo aloma ejijeje ni oti a makpo na nyonu ha me woto hekpede suno wa afie me ha malike nyodo eyata nya to me pobe no subo na nyonu peta de kaya kakea na mi kpedo bo nti a vevie to nchu a ekema edo na nya wona mikata ye wanyo da winter is a college of enya ode ekai single mothers okun appreciate aleke nyekolo no be wa no kutri koko ajiko he anichi akpobo vioji to bobe menye america pe didi onyo be wa single mothers wo kaka ho josigba edoda silo si be wo jagbagba kutri akpodo vioji be wa ba du emme chomu alomesigba ka enya kela sio bubu heneti be yakona dada ofete gba apemi ava yi ncho gboto na kono
akpe dada opete na semebe edonye wala jena perfectu.
Okay.
For you to be appreciated enough in society and wherever you are. Elebe na be kutri kuku edona de ti anemi. Lododo tabla tovore ke pipi bla vevo atonia ko ye globe. Edu se ple bubu abe awuene. Eye aten akun keke si ugbona.
Okay.
Efu ple nunya eye nufiame and correcto lefe adeji. Ekpo efe afeko fe nyawo gbonye eye wo medu akuvia bolo. Via uchu na yo nebe ya yirato. Nene mai sro ha yo ne ha kafu nebe nyonu siyo wanu do viola lifun kake wola efu katata.
Wow. Proverbs
31 verse 25
31 verse
25 to 29.
25, okay, 29. Okay.
So, efonu elenyu fucho leike nyonu ukutrikula ejena gbagba. Eye even though ekpodoku as a housewife egaja gbagba create yeyi be housewife nyenyeme. Eye wo ga wo investment ne do na o mebe même keke yo le ngogbe gbona ye soro gbojo ha ya ten anote
Okay.
eye me kwe ko dada ko bi asoro nu
Okay.
ke bo e wo provision be future hu
Okay.
be afie me ma lack
Okay.
na fufu ngoli do ha kuntu le isi ya chuo na ta as a single mother or as a mother in a marriage afi egbe mother's day le dodode kere do ki mu na pere be fi ka na egbe dahule na nyokaba
Okay.
eye na gbogbo asitap as a mother
Okay.
ne edibenu po ye be ye vigilante eye wa celebrate ye de jababa na wo we ko nye de
Okay.
bedo da si na ni tepetutu ko jijo popo le jijeje yi to ava
Videke le nyɔnuwo ma.
Aje.
Nyɔnu nyenye ma ava.
ava now abanyemu wonu tepe ni many single mother o de ko
Yeah.
as for single mothers my thumbs up for them
Okay.
me gbolobe me le wom ke me lenchuo po veve se da nyire ma wa de le nchuo to ma ko poto ko elengogbe yi
Okay.
eye na chu ya ke ha na chu ke apele de vieji po de kare ma wa no yira eye wa no gbe ha apo de vi ma po ekucheche ni to eye nye akpona kemi nye be ni tro de nchuo gbode me nye nchuo gede o ha pe fo dada o nye be wa jivi agbere nye muji o ade nchuo wa agbere pe doda sidi o kaka zigede mebe esoro de sia de ike gbelede egbe magbe ho je o ni o pe o ni ewe o me gbojida ni ta soro gbele cho gbe magbe
Okay.
e ya ta nenye be edibe ya akdi o pe o agba futi pe o pe na mutode nchu ado nyon de gbojidi
Okay.
na pe be meka e menye nuka la sinye pe meko yina
Okay.
eye nuka e nyenye pe mo popo eye ameka to bidinele me ekpo amienyo akuviato amega expect be egata uzugo eye mega bube de dami ha ye gbotrobo
Enya elo mistake do ma ye wo va yi wa.
me egere meko nku agbato la na nyabe nku agbato yege nala
Okay.
anye ma fa me de fa nku na hu eye ta uchu ode ni nyabe wo ha o gele nyonu ma wo ni pepe fasime
Okay.
eye uchu le vevese wo le nuka apo me le vivio to wenye be check na kwera be nuka na tawo
Okay.
ebe a broken relationship is better than divorce
Okay.
tamenye be nenya gere me ya hoho kode find the way out
Okay.
then ya thankful lasting solution to the issue especially both of you happiness doesn't matter the children are the most important in that relationship
Okay.
and then you got separate hade gbogbo be na wo do da sikwa as on jinile ni ade ni ape akana godo le yesu nkono
Le Yesu
Mama, the
nkono
101.1 FM.
Novi etodo lava vao mekaneji lekim ye yo le vava kumenye ebe nene le toaji ni le clear life le authentic mama fan page on Facebook. We are also live on Top FM online YouTube. Top FM online on YouTube. We are live on Sienna YouTube page in North America, Sienna Facebook page in North America. And me sia menemi ankosen eye ni le nyono fe nyenye celebrate eye edoda si yo le nyono si kutri yo le kuku efu yo le pepe afin emetonu yo ava le fu pepe yo fu ko megbe nenye be pobo vio jinye eye de vio vachi eye over zunu tepe wolawa. That is where the reward comes efu maye num nka enu yo efu yo me to a efe metonu alo video a avana mi kakene ne kukutri le gomejeja metanwu nuwa akwebe ekukutri ko efi be video de keme ba vamo ela be devio me ba do ta o me ba so amade ko me yikode tefe ye mekpo nchoa ekwa tefa nunu a evi gbogbo oji ye devio kata ha ozo me nyato mienya ame no bless by say saying alo me siga am ozo ame ozo nu tefe wola o de school o le tefe ekuma tefa anya kpo na o menye be edri ha lagbe me hafika yi jijo popo ma ekpefu lo me do mekpefu kake enu ha ekpo vide eyata
le okumegbe ha podo nwo le jesi o le
ma eyata obe kutrikula ko ibazuna agbagbaje la ko yen ekpo na vide eyata ne kutriko agodo akpo vide chome eyata nyonu edoda si so le miasi ela be fifi la ya ni ekpo le kekike mele ya Nia vio pete over le blanca fra social media. E webe de vio me kavale na de ko zumunyo. E do vio de school secondary school vio ponu nyomi le popo le TV jira le social media da kafra ntunya nunu adamama halfway kleto e yata na wonyo no mekanya sana fe me de vio bo mu vi de okwa e vio zun na de poku abrosa ha do babo ale gbegbe alo me yisiba avala eke dran
jaye dadan
ta me ameke kodoko yi kwa aho atu e yata
Top radio back.
jilao obenya se tomenya baka onyo e doda sile nyasi ka ke vieto nyono aleke nya hemia vio in terms of our culture ni peleke Ghana nya fe de konu nyenye enu yo puko e vio me wona fifie mi vale wo la be de vio o ba le gen o le commencer o le tape o ta mi vale no ma o me wona fifie o vale wo e wo nyono e wo ntu jila nya fe doda sipe mia ahemia vio ma o de ma o vovome de mia fe de konu nu de vio ma ba tramon to gbebe o le kike me ya fa o le kon po ya kakia afie me no senye de obo nkwa o ma gble kaka cho me sigbo especially red tramon no yo ka ba va fefie and that will be the next topic ni gbo ogbe ko doctor over ele amebe to gble le de vio gble ya tajilao no me cho de mi avio bo ntu vio kronyo no ka se nyanya e fu gbogbo yo mi pekple fu yo kaka Avasu Jojo Nami.
Top radio back correct.
Avasu Jojo Nami. Eyata. Dadao, nyopochi abotanami lo. Happy Mother's Day in advance to you. I'm going to play Mother's Day song again right now for you. All mothers, stand up wherever you are. Stand up and dance on the song. Apema wunu. Play, sister. Say that. Happy Mother's Day. Na Nami. Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Sweet mother. Sweet mother.
Hi guys, my name is John Dumelo and I'm listening to Authentic Mama with Papa Chef.
Sweet mother, I never forget you. For the suffer where you suffer for me. When I did cry, my mother would carry me. She would say, my pikin, where did you dey cry? Yo, stop, make you no cry again. When I was asleep, my mother would pet me. She could lie me well for bed. She cover me close, say me could sleep my pikin. When I get hungry, my mother go run up and down. They find me something when I go chop. Sweet mother, sweet mother. Son of my sweet mother.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
My mother would cry. She would say instead when I go die, make she die. She would beg God, God help me, God help me, for my baby. Oh, my mother. If I don't sleep, my mother no go sleep. If I don't chop, my mother no go chop. She no get tired, sweet mother. I never forget the summer when you suffer for me, yeah, sweet mother, sweet mother.
Eyina dada wonu tefe single mother so sister so eyina mikata na makomo npopo ya. Let me wish my own CEO Mama Sawa wherever you are, happy Mother's Day to you. My general manager Sister Susan, happy Mother's Day to you, and all the women and top media MFA Mabna and Nadia, all the women, Medekuku, happy Mother's Day to all the women of Top Media, and also to our first vice president, Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman. Happy Mother's Day to you, the First Lady, Mrs. Mahama. Happy Ladina Mahama. Happy Mother's Day to you, former First Lady. Happy Mother's Day to you too, and all the Nana Jiman, Rollins. Happy Mother's Day to all of you, and all women in general. Happy Mother's Day to Mikata, Vivieto, Meridian Good News Koya, women Okata, Ashama Central Picture, women Okata, Jericho Picture, no Kata, Naina Mikata. Happy Mother's Day. Nyape listeners, so Sister Pat Taifa, happy Mother's Day. Sister Gifty Agbojinshi, happy Mother's Day. Agbofonya Kofi Agbojinshi, so happy Mother's Day. Sister Mikata, yes go. You are telling Mikata over Dr. Flache, happy Mother's Day to all of you. Hey, good evening, Authentic Mama One. Welcome back. We are listening to you live on Top 103.1. Nice topic though. This is from David Copperfield, Mr. David Copperfield Achu, requesting a nice song to my father, George, Mr. George K. Achu, and also to Prophet Manasseh Achu, your brother is wishing you good evening, and also Hope Sipite, now Christian Etonam, Bosin, now Bridget Kafui, Irene and Franco, 1991 year group Okata, Apeto David Copperfield, Achu, Elekabiana Mikata, Beniado Deji, Ke Niafe Dada Lonodeka, and Kamabia Haneafi, Ake Mekavalio, Elfe Dadanye, Amenubia Presbyter, Mrs. Judith Ivy Agbo Achu, aka Ponukake. Na nanovi alotikta Makavalio dada afisa fekene la menye be dada wonu tepe nenye yata happy Mother's Day na dada yo katanye nu tepe wala ka kome kavale mi adomo a mi afe gbogbo pele lobo ajijole won ti fafame ni wo mi atosunu eku agboji nogbe dada Ivy Achu agboma yen fe ku agboji nogbe le June penkeke adele agbe June penkeke adele agbe aja go metomi agbo la Shama Central AP Church la fama kaka mi akova yichito awudome aba ayiji la fama kene ye yale de kwa manam yanya ma adebefa ndon nyede na me akpe messages all of avata metoma akpe da matome quickly. Yeah, Mrs. Gifty Akpedonu play of your petty pekito tomato pekigwep pekito sister Mrs. Gifty Akpedonu le dansuman hana ina otohede ina nyento nyepe grandmother de kabeve grandmother obe radio me chinegbede grandmother. Happy Mother's Day. Now you now see Sister Gifty Akpedonu ehana you now grandmother pele sister of you me dogo grandmother Elizabeth Yawa Wuva grandmother Elizabeth Yawa Wuva le dansuma dada menye benele 24/7. Happy Mother's Day agbedidi. Sister Gifty Akpedonu Office SSGL Ghana Limited Jamestown Hanaina Mikata Naina Nyapa Sister Philadelphia Todome okay Mago okay Hanano yi Nemano Nkoma Oti Kaba
another wife. You fit get another husband.
Ehanina Mrs. Evelyn Nwagbe. Dada alo Mrs. Evelyn Noagbe na ina tohede Mrs. Evelyn Noagbe me doing a happy Mother's Day na yina efonye David Adai na yina ha nenemake na yina Sister Florence na yina ha nyikata mienye efo David Adai fe sister so todome palime. Okay, hello, I'm Aiko Kuma Anani Lekaswa Belenkonye Efonye Akpe now. Watching you live from Accra, we the men appreciate you all. Without you, we cannot be complete. Just take it easy on us. Where we are, boys. For Paul, Uncle Paul, song better Puti. Thank you so much. Everything on there, enya omi egbala ncho de kemeva attack me wa o semenami o honya kra wo nyono ta e se be ncho ha over le no akpoti si be nu le keke me le totro alo me si ba ta yo ha edoda si lo si be wa pe de nyono obo me si ba
ba pe me na vivi
e la be who expect in bede na mi o de mi a mi ha mi akpo mi na egade
ya wodo akpede yo
wa lebe yo hawa nye be enu nyanya dozes yo be na nchule nu nyana nyono alono nda be gbotemi e don ko nyama je Salome
ifo mega legio
meka lesigbo ya ta nchu yo no susu maka soso a meka lesigbo
Mistro Salome zu Salom nchu yo kenu mawa open konye Salom
congratulations
ya benye se elo ya ta wa wonu si anu na wa pede munye
I see. Salom. This year the Kenya Pedes no kwa. My friend latest name Enyenga. Salom. Ya tanchu. And it's been ayo be Saloma. If when you told me you be Salom, if you be na snow, nesana veve snow tea. Ya tawa yo be Salom. So Ncho is over to you. If you want the new name, you like it, then start working fast. So that you know what would you do. Yeah, yo be Salom. Let's see, Akpenami. And for Paul, thank you so much. I'm also none of your US topic odo Facebook and the opito lemon me Dr. Wonyo Akpen for Joseph dear Katana US Akpom Apeto Patrick for Patrick to Boston US Okatole me good evening. The heat up is strong. Keep it up. Special dedication to you, Sister Mefa, my husband, Koka Bismarck, and my children, Kekeli and Arabelle, and the Aziasino family. So, happy Mother's Day in advance to myself and all responsible mothers globally. Coming from Priscilla Aziasino, Koka, Asarebochoi. Sister, happy Mother's Day to you. Eyacho Ahaji Abimadon Kobo Ebe Authentic Mama One. Such a hilarious work. Thank you. You are doing very well. God bless you, Alaji. Dedicating a background song to my wife, Mrs. Gloria Abimadonko. My children, Coca Bennett, Coca Bismarck, Coca Benedicta, Coca Belinda, Coca Barbara, and Coca Brown. Also to my grandchildren and the in-laws. Happy Mother's Day and good evening to all of you. Haji Abimadon Kobo. Okay. Family Ododa. Coca Bismarck Asarebochi. Good evening, Sister Amefa. You are doing a great work. More grace to your elbows. Special dedication to my wife, Mrs. Priscilla Ziasino Coca. My children, Kekeli, Arabelle, Annelle. Not forgetting the Coca Bima families of Aveme Beme. Happy Mother's Day in advance to all mothers coming from Bismarck Coca. Okay. Akpenami message so Akpenami kata nyawele edum. Sister Mawunu Plo afawu onanu. Leke mi akowunu mothers ka wo hala so yena ado egbenawo femyawunu.
Akpe. Medo happy Mother's Day in advance to all EP Church mothers and women.
Okay.
Happy Mother's Day to Meridian Good News Choir all mothers and all ladies. Medo fie bokona Goodness Choir nchuo kata. Medo Happy Mother's Day in advance na EP Church Jericho congregation play Jericho districts. Happy Mother's Day to all female presbyters in Jericho districts.
Okay.
Happy Mother's Day to Reverend Mrs. Rosemary Kwaku, district pastor Soro, le Jericho district. Medogbena katikis o Soro pete medogbena Shama Central hami megao. Nyemwo kwen chuensia. Eye medo Happy Mother's Day na. Muvini okata ple funyima okata vevieto enoni. Afeno Victoria ama kwanaya. Medo Happy Mother's Day ne. No lenkonyisa maunenle defa gbedete. Eye wadu efe asime fe kucheche. Medo fie bokona Mr. William Setoglo le jurafifi lai. Eye medo fie bokona amenyanye okple amemanya osia. Ma ope jogbenyi nínú mi akata mi aji. Becho mi akpojujo de dada omu. Le Yesu fen come. Amen.
Amen. Okay, no vitudola obenya setoa menye abaka wenyo miako asede afima ayiwona jinami ke yeya de mapo ha viviado me select gospel music viviado cho Joe Blessing boname message so medena Reverend Esinu
Kluche
Ophelia Reverend gbogbo yenwe
Reverend Ophelia Esinu Kluche,
okay,
district pastor le Bethlehem.
okay,
Daniel Goodness Choir Meridian Presbytery facilitator.
oh, okay.
May do Happy Mother's Day now.
Hey, now Mrs. Amegbe, Mrs. Gertrude Amegbe,
Okay.
La Shama Central. So for mommy, you know, Mikata, Miape Meridian, Miape Meridian, Afeto Jumasi Suno, Reverend Jumasi Suno,
Yeah.
Mrs. Jumasi, let them come to one. Happy Mother's Day. Now you know me fete. Pele your fellow no to the card. Sister, le community 22. We na prepaid nam. Happy Mother's Day to you. Is this Sister Felicia? Yeah. Sister, but happy Mother's Day to you. Okay, my sister, we know prepaid flenam. Happy Mother's Day to you, sister. Agbeti de la mese. I could anytime I york quickly. I do that. Now, happy Mother's Day to you, my sister. Sister Felicia, I forgotten nko akwe. Haya mi say that. Joe Blessing. Dada Kodowu, Dada Presbyter, Dada Kodowu, La Shama Central, Presbyter, Juliana Afienye Du, Medun Kumya Peteji, Sister Kate, Catherine Pay, Medogbe Nam Yapete, Good News Choir member sister, Lakoya, Sister Rich Love, Pleto Topete, Happy Mother's Day Nami, Matayo mi deka, Happy Mother's Day na Yapete. Kemana na nyebe mele nunana top media group. We are celebrating mothers. Eyata mi wo nunana tohe le program oji be mi akona dada deka eve etoande oko. Menya ameseme mi atan now. Eyata afye ya egbo yoyogbe mabu mona ma titi crown ayom quickly ne na babia nyebe nyefe program ya hemele wo wode time ka emeje gome time ka me wanu nene tandon bakple program kawo alo segment kawo le program ame bakple mene apona mi dongo pe ma babia lo ya apoko na mi le be medima na mi no ata bakple mekae nukae na enya vivi alo nya vivi ka na don kuji be dadao no wo na walo na do wo ike matangro be gbedo nemesi no leginam na ame enne manana tohe mi ava hwe jodagbe manro mi apen ko ne menakwa manana nya ekema na ava hwe. You'll be writing the names and then the names of those who ta neme babia we ma gakame meje program agome gbeme me wo program ye time kamekpana program segment ka we le program ame bakle nuka hin mangro bele enon gbede nuka wo pede ko lo ye himeliuta but kuku hafi na honunana ameke duje ye melenunana kake before then Francis we are going to do the presentation to my guest. She has come on the show, so where is the Frimpong to open? Okay, we are going to present her top media in the name of my CEO, my GM. We are presenting the gift to my guest today because she's a woman and also as a guest on the show. Top media, we are celebrating you and all matters. And I'm going to do that for 4 more people. I'm in Nebubuawa, Nemyedo Babianwa, Nyahonunana, Monday, Nyavaba Hole Studio Lafi, Akpenami. So it's over to you. Call Yum 0303 944 864. 0303-944-864. Now presentation and one live let me program and also nyakpo akpe amegban to lekaji. So hello.
Oh, take mama.
Apo Geoffrey agbodinshi.
Anyale aplanye bona hode.
Jijima ta babia nyebe. Babia nyebe.
Wona ogoma ga manidagbe. Gato. Hello.
Mele toji fonu.
Baba udodo ogoma manidagbe gato ba se etie gani.
Okay.
Ye maglobe ni danya wona ma. Yo magara gbe bo ga ka. Etanyele na nyebe na bu foto tojo bo. Oyo be chi fu ma ta be chia. Be ni no te me pia bo. Na be ta bia ekwore na nye da kpare kare karu fo be ni ko ya no me de na bo chi
Wa babi.
na asi oba nya da ya cho da pun.
I see.
Da ni o na na ni na ta na be ni ka ta ni ni da da ma ti si. Le ni o da do mu da ma ko o le bo du ma ya bo ni do ni de yo ra ta o le bo du mu.
Okay, efonye akpe for free agbojinshi Geoffrey ayigbetan. Okay, akpe dokanelo lo to ve ha.
Gba to ni na o to fi ma gba.
Okay.
Na ti to do happy Mother's Day no.
Okay.
Medina practice the small boy dada.
Okay.
Ya wa ya mother so ara ko ta Medina dada.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Akpe dasile mo wa mebubu na gede me. Mere ko quickly ni yo kapa 0 hello afemeto. Sister Party ya. Don't could you be me fight nala I am meta ye de Canada no one now cholo. Wezo. Madakuyo, up in Nigeria, Mabia Bear. Program ya mele wode no kawe nye a segment lemon atayo menenam alometonam
One newspaper nya jojo da kona doctor over na wasiana no mi wasona no na mi da ko mada isonye mada ni over wasiana no mi leke nya ko ahemia bio
Okay. Look na glopede he dada wokpo he ochimkume now. Can you know necessary so halonya?
Ni owo na bunam beredrenye. Emi na de zime no danua. Amena mi apete aka toche daran. Yake amai be mi apete nya dunugo. Let do for let me do for.
Okay.
Membe afi hana du membe awa eso yo kadere aga pepe na mi aga du afi entana wajin bo tanuma lela ke mapuna mbere esa nteno kwa male wana zinyo.
Okay, Akpe, congratulations now. Edu win award tamande avaho le bonyela fi le do mesia. Ke medekudo kana meve.
Na wonto.
Okay.
Na nyelolo.
Okay.
Bete to le credit ya pe no ko nyelolo. So Mary Koraja.
Okay.
So abutia bota.
Okay.
Nyalo kata.
Akpe. Okay. Hello, Apameto.
Hello, Odolo.
Nko pa fina yo chui.
Nye atagale yo.
Le yo to airport. Okay.
Enye egbie ko mese me
Program
mele nyo ene na masie program no. Ita nimenya leke mi ape do.
Okay, don't worry. Next time you win award. Happy Mother's Day to you. Go ahead and celebrate 2 people with requests. You can request song for 2 people.
I'm requesting this song for my son.
Okay.
Play Danya Melagbo Kake Wonu Ganam.
Okay.
I see the $1 no play. Happy Mother's Day to her.
Okay. Akpe, congratulations to you. To Happy Mother's Day to you. Okay. Hello, Apameto. But I couldn't call Rafine Ochoe. Layocho. Look, kanye enu vivide ekimanglo bele dada on.
Nadena, yeah, that come out Jimmy from bottom 11 or 12. You have to come out my number of element at the last, yeah, the Kaya, I can run down with Namiago. Not that door, the mountain, so there's the boy, obviously, no, that out. Yan ang ko never survive next project. Yan mo ba let it cover dra. After that premier is positive. The long of it.
I see. Yeah, time kaye mewuna program yanu.
But I put 8 o'clock ya wuna no.
Ye meka nko ka nye fe radio nko.
South media. Stop FM.
Se babi nko kaye enye mefa apart from mefa nko ka yonam le radio ji.
Authentic mama.
Possibly not do. Congratulations, Edu award the can call the Kafi Aziagba Kafi Aziagba Chofika Nelenu photo Nima Monday Nava Ava Konona Lonko that I say. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And the first studio never domekwa. Never domeko security wa to be do nana le program ajika eva hofeko wa cover jeme. Time this year there.
Authentic mother.
Bye bye. Okay. Hello, Apameto.
Hello.
Maraku, how many is that? Sister Vivian, no photo. Domi. Okay. Sister Vivian.
Mame.
No kanye no vivide. Alo story. No eke e dada no wo. Eke lenkuji na bakre fifi.
no gade no ne wonam.
Mhm.
Sike ne ba ngwe bele.
Mhm.
Tony o ko Tony no ho ba fo ne fo. Tony bi. Take
Egbe le fuanu a.
e wo jimbo.
Okay.
No ba Tony no bubu. Ake no ne le me ko po be do le unye na me de do ne me to wo so me to we me to yin go bo ga ke. Egbe yi ke wa to nya e wonam. Ta ne ma ngwe bele me nya jila de si ade ke nye single parent. Atewi awo ni ke no ne wonam. Ta me do awon eji da de si agbe. Enye nyonu wo mi tefere adodo vela de pa na. Ne me ya se experience me ko la ne ni ke hello. Ne me ya se experience me ko yo la ne i ke ni to so ne va tro me de lo bonya. Ne me towi no tede de vi e
Okay.
Okay. Uno do me na ma fu tro ka ke me no tede mu din bana gbe.
Okay.
Ya ni experience de sike.
Apart from your program, yeah, the program can na le top radio.
Top radio enye Saturday o nu ina jojo ple nu yo wa la ya egba le ram ta top radio.
Yeah, Saturday mesene.
Saturday program ko nya me to.
Time kama je program agome.
O jeunesse o we gaton pa le ga ni me.
Okay. Na ben ko de
Vivian,
Sister Vivian, na ben le yo chofika.
Domi,
Congratulations. Edu award yedeka ava Monday ava hwesia.
yo
Okay. But now congratulations. Bye bye. Okay. Hello. It's okay. Hello, Apameto.
Hello.
Away some call afine actually.
I'm calling a lion, but I don't have account. I don't know what they call.
And you're no no point.
I don't know what it is. That who did it, but call the bill.
But a queer, you didn't call na bele to Bemacam. But a queer to now.
You, but the other way. I don't know. Mother's Day is advanced and long walk at time. All the door. I mean, the easy.
Okay.
Me, my friend, on your one now. A like bag, like a fool. A beginning, I bless you, get it. If you disagree, I got back on a bag. Yeah, I don't like better. Yeah, no, do me. I will go each on a VAD. Yeah, volunteer was a hard but for Agbadan. Any pump at the economica, I got compa. I don't show the Jacob what
I see. Congratulations. Na and no ha elagba. Okay, we are never happy Mother's Day Nello. Do canelo not over.
Oh, but the banana you hold on your kata. Let us on for the water.
Kata wasilo. Akpena. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Yo, no fit to lao. Ayon fifi ka kedu ko makpo nu na na ya o. Ela be ame atonko mele nu na me get o. Hello apo meto. The young shall grow. Etumegbela. Me yok about it. Okatijo. Makatijo anata mi anami na nasubo. Eya doko mi me the presenters onu vivi tade. Ya kwena mi nene. Yejina do happy Mother's Day na no to vade pedeko.
Hello?
Yejina do kana me vedeko kaba ye yilemvo.
Mara ku ba se lo.
Ya hanalo lotove.
Yo ba bi hana so lo club ko mo ta kata bo file no nyora ma du afi ale mo chi mo go ta mo na ko.
Next no birthday, happy Mother's Day Nelo. Look at you. Another time is it. Okay. Okay. Today is Saturday, the 10th of May 2025. Tomorrow, Sunday, is going to be Mother's Day. Tomorrow, Sunday, is going to be Mother's Day. But before the Mother's Day tomorrow, we talk about women, the challenges and the reward in motherhood. And my guest has been my sister, Sister Bernice Setoglo, President of Meridian Presbytery Gunis Koya, and also a catechist. She has been on the show, and today Top Media Group, on behalf of my CEO, Mami Sewa, my general manager, Madam Susan, and the whole of Top Media Group, Top TV, Top Radio, we are presenting a token to you as our gift, celebrating you as a mother, and also being on the show today. And we are saying Happy Mother's Day to you. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you for the honor done me. Long live Top FM, Top Radio, Top TV. Long live Dunenyo Bobobo Show. God bless you all.
Okay, happy Mother's Day to our mother. She has been on the show today. Ever show Bobobo Show. Top Media, Top CEO, General Manager, and the entire executives of Top Media. We have Miko Enuvia, Bemiako celebrate Mia Dada Yiva program Aji Egbe, Yamile Boblobe, Agbedidi, Lamesen, happy Mother's Day now. New Year, they come now the akoyi. The same thing we are celebrating Mother's. So me kala New Year kuko kona nyonu wame aton led to menyo bobo show. Nya fe show bubu kata yo ha ole nuna na ya wo. So Top Media miele nyonu kata celebrate on this special Mother's Day coming tomorrow. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Akbenami.
Okay. Le avala sase ha tuole didi ha Joe blessing like Bobobe Mekavon. No, o Mekavon mingo. Miji, Nyawunu Tepe, Nemia, Awo, and Nuye Kj. Meto Hanas, Sister Sena, Selina Wadu. Sister Selina Wadu. Like Tema Community 22. Happy Mother's Day to you, my sister. You've been a supporting sister to me. My auntie, my mothers, Mama, Dadanka, Nogankuma, Florence Hosu, Lekmando, Dakitiwa, Elizabeth Pekata, aka Dakitiwa, Pelebu Bonfiti, Afe Toviti, Happy Mother's Day, Namikata, Pekicha Mei Pichet, Dada Opete, Imanglobemio. Happy Mother's Day, Namidafua, Akuche, Happy Mother's Day, Namikata. Kene ngoloba mede medu na omekachi jolo dada ofete yakwa nibe Happy Mother's Day ke ameyo ke meyo fifia wava ahonu nana efo Joffrey agbojinchi aigbe town edu a special Mother's Day gift. So Monday you come to the office for it. Sister Pat Letaifa, Monday you won yourself a parcel from Top Media. Sister Kafi Aziagba, Nima, you won yourself a package as Mother's Day gift. And Sister Vivian Domi, a happy Mother's Day to all of you. So Monday you come to the office, then you have a home ya passo so, kokbeden ya guest Sister Benny Setoglo, and make a vac bedemia me punto Dada Nyanti Egbe. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. Dada Vivio, okay, haya inamika. So this and more will be coming your way next week Saturday. Then it be a say hi I can Saturday got to authentic mama show. Adotomi then ya say one now na me egbe fe dona mi lo efe jigbedzana mi kata nyo no pete echomia isol me adakpe na Yesu department veta mi akpomia view mi asuno afekobli bolaji be mawunto na don semi be mi aton awe incho no do mi atoji ha. We do the same thing for you. Mekachiji crown to akpena milo nyawe bedogbe nyawe lepekpede nyono ogbe be wona kata aje fiato aje gato. Afeto Francis, my small boy danger producer, Kilasis producer, play my new little girl Ruth what Elom. Okay, Ruth Elom, my producer, so Egbe, and thank you so much on behalf of them. We are saying we appreciate all of you. Me share video so nenya ayi oyombe authentic mama MFA ke ameyogba. They are coming to you and they are going to preach the word of God to you once again. The name again Osoro Darobo, they are coming with the word of God. The pastors, they are in. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. They are coming your way. Stay and listen to the word of God. Akpenambikata.